Great God above, Papa God below me, me come long you with humble heart, you sape long rot me, walk about longing, you sape long heavy me carrying every day. Walk with me, guide me, protect me, let my life show your glory. Every morning time me get up, me put him light, blow me long hand blow. You long walk, blow me long ting ting, blow me. Papa God lead me in all I do. Give me wisdom long every decision. Give me peace time heavy I come time. Me no sape one and rope by me behind him. Let your voice guide my heart and hand. Protect me from danger I cannot see, from jealousy, darkness and hidden pain. Let your light surround my daily life, like sunshine after heavy rain. Great God, walk with me, hold my hand through every storm. You stop close to long me, keep my heart safe and warm. Guide me, protect me, let your glory shine through me. Me like live by faith and trust. Papa God, set my spirit free. When sickness comes and body feels weak, I call your name, my healing King. Touch my life with your mighty hand. Let hope and strength begin again. In my clinic, working daily care, let your mercy flow through what I do. When I help the sick and broken ones, let them feel the love of you. Not by my power, not by my name, but by your grace I stand today. Use my hands, my words, my heart to bring your healing on the way. Great God, walk with me, hold my hand through every storm. You stop close to long me, keep my heart safe and warm. Guide me, protect me, let your glory shine through me. Me like live by faith and trust. Papa God, set my spirit free. Papa God, opening doors for me, break the chains of poverty. Give me wisdom with money and work, lead me into financial liberty. Remove every evil influence, cut every bondage holding me. If darkness tries to pull me down, rescue me and make me free. Teach me to walk within your guidelines, keep my feet on holy ground. When temptation calls my name, let your spirit turn me around. Let my life be a testimony, let my actions speak your grace. When people look at how I live, let them see your holy face. Make me humble, make me faithful, make me strong but full of love. Let my journey here on earth point all hearts to you above. A great God, walk with me, hold my hand through every storm. You stop close to long me, keep my heart safe and warm. Guide me, protect me, let your glory shine through me. Me like live by faith and trust. Papa God, set my spirit free. Papa God, me give him all get along you. My life, my work, my family, my future too. Stay with me in the morning, my name, but they will see your goodness and give glory